Hi, this is Faindra Jabbar from the Trainers Tips, and today Mr. Amirul with me. We will have live. Why are you laughing? We will have. We are nervous actually. We will have a live session with for Quest International University Perak at Perak FM. We got a script, but we're still shaking. Perhaps everything will be. Let's go into this. Finally, it's done, Mr. Amirul.
It's done, so it was my very first experience. It was great. I was kind of nervous because it was in Bahasa Melayu, so we're not sure whether we're speaking Bahasa Melayu in the right language or style, but yeah, it was fun.
Alright, okay, so that's all for I think for today. For those who are just visit my channel, so please click subscribe and yeah, wait for another video. Ciao.